Good afternoon, children. Welcome you all to the science video section, Standard 4, Term 3, Lesson 1, Green Environment. In this lesson, we learn about how to keep our environment clean and more hygienic, and how to reduce the waste. Children, do you know what is waste? Nature provides us with a lot of useful things. Factories use these natural resources to make them that we buy in the shop. When we are finished using these things, they become waste. Children, what is waste? Waste is any object or material that can be used but is not wanted anywhere. That is useful to us because it is broken, worn out, or cannot be used again. That is called waste. Waste can be in the form of matter as solid, liquid, and gases, and each one has a different process of treatment and disposal. Some waste are very harmful to environment as well as for human beings and all the resources. Children, I saw a lot of waste things in our surrounding. You think there any way we reduce wasting things? Yes, there is many way to reduce waste. The reducing waste is the most and first and most important step is waste management. Children, do you know what is waste management? Waste management includes the activity and active required to manage waste from its input to its final disposal. It is a step we take to handle our waste and to make sure our environment does not get dirty and polluted. Waste management deals with both biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Waste management deal with all the type of waste including industrial, biological and household wastes. It includes the collection and transport and treatment and proper disposal of waste. The proper disposal means the method of disposal should not leave any harmful residues of waste which may affect our environment, ecosystem and our resources adversely. Waste management have 4 steps to reduce the waste. First, separation of waste. Second step, waste collection and transportation. Third, waste recycling and composting. Fourth, waste disposal. Now we discuss one by one. First, separation of waste. This is a very important step in waste management. It means to sort or divide the waste into different waste bins. Bin means dustbin. Okay, each bin should have different types of waste. It is good to separate waste in 3 different bins. Green for biodegradable waste, blue for recyclable waste, and red for non-recyclable. This bin means in this type of bin, dustbins we are seeing the common places in the zoo, then hospitals, then park. This area we have to see these types of bins. First bin, green dustbin. Green dustbin we only put the biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste means the leftover food wastage. Generally put in the green dustbin. Then blue dustbin, recyclable means we already use that thing. We again use that. Some step we follow. Again we can recycle. The example, paper, then paper waste. Paper we can recycle. Then pen, polythene pen, pipe pen. That also we are reusable. Then cardboard, old glass bottles. These are recyclable waste. Then non-recyclable not used again. That they harmful our environment. Example, plastic plastic bags and food packing, then multi-layer plastic, then CFC light and the polythene cover, mist waste. These are non-recyclable item. These things are put in the red dustbin. Okay, green dustbin we put leftover food. Recyclable waste thing create new product. The non-recyclable not use again. Next, this is the step of waste separation of waste. Next, waste collection and transportation. Once we separate, pick up the waste is a waste collection. Moving the waste from one place to another is the transportation. Once we separate our waste in our homes and schools, it is important to keep it ready to pick up by our municipality or corporation. Picking up the waste is called waste collection. Moving the waste from one place to another is called transportation. They move the waste from out of the city or town. Okay, that is the waste collection and transportation. Next we discuss about waste recycling. This is this persons, they collecting your home, no, they coming and get the waste and come, and this is a transport. They collect some area, then total waste they kept away from the city. That is the waste collection and transportation. Next we discuss about waste recycling and composting. Biodegradable waste is taken to a place where it can be converted into compost. Compost means that is decomposes. The previous standard we studied about decomposes. The bacteria, fungi helps to decompose. They change the nutrients into the soil, make the soil fertile. Fertilize means nutrition. Okay, non-biodegradable waste is recyclable. They can be turned into something new, and valuable is taken to recycling factory. The paper, then glasses, then the small single layer plastic bottles. These are again recyclable. These are non-biodegradable waste. So the compost is food for plant and help to make our soil healthy. Okay, these are the waste recycling and composting. Next we discuss about this way only they collecting and separating the waste. They kept out in the city. Next we discuss about waste disposal. The waste they cannot be recyclable need to sent for final disposal. This waste is sent to open dump or landfill. Landfill means they the hole in the soil, they put deeper into the soil and close that soil. Put the waste and close the soil. That time what they do, non-recyclable waste only kept there. Non-recyclable waste is what? Plastic. That are things. These are the waste separation. Children, you understand what is waste separation? Thank you. I hope that you would have understood this section. Thank you.